What is up, lads? I'm back. It's currently 12:57. Market's about to open in like 3 minutes. I haven't done any pre-market analysis or anything. Sort of just been chilling. Couldn't really be bothered to do any pre-market analysis, but I was thinking I might as well just go through all of my analysis with you guys while getting onto the charts. Makes things easier. Higher time frame already. We tapped into this daily bearish gap. Looks like we'll continue lower to sweep these lows. I'm going to mark these external lows out. It's probably not going to be a main draw on liquidity for the day today, but I'm just going to mark them out anyways. As we can see, we tapped into hourly fair value gap. Also got 1 hour CISD here, continuing trend, sweeping liquidity at here and here. How many points is this away? Alright, good. We have some really solid draws today. I think that's London lows and Asia lows. I haven't even looked yet, but just assuming we also inverse this hourly gap. So looking really nice. We did tap off this 15-minute fair value gap, and we're in quite the range at the moment. Looks like we'll CISD on this 15-minute off open to probably continue lower. Hopefully we don't dump 110 points off open, and I can catch something to these lows. Let's check them out. Yeah, London lows. That's probably the draw on liquidity for the day. I'll mark out the highs as well because we have so much low resistance liquidity. Up here we tap this 15-minute order block. Hopefully we CISD, push back into this 15-minute and then continue lower. 2 draws on liquidity. Inversing this 5-minute doesn't really concern me, this 5-minute, because we've been in it for so long. We've also been in this 5-minute for quite a while. Go over to ES now, just suss what that's looking like. Also very bearish, of course. Don't really care about all the high time frame PDRAs. Yep, tap that. Just sort of looking for SMTs. Inverse there, all moving the exact same. Put this low. Actually, that's London lows there, so we'll put that there, and this is just the internal low. Simple shit. It looks like we have a bearish SMT at the highs, I believe. I'll mark out Asia highs as well, because why not? I don't think we swept Asia. I'm just going to mark them out in case, and then get my drawing tool back to the normal color. I like it. Alright, sick. So we got all session liquidity. I like that we're moving up off open. That actually makes me very happy. Do we have an SMT here? 3:30 a.m. 4:15. Yeah, we had a bearish SMT here. Not too concerned about that though. We're ranging quite a lot. So what's this? 8:15 to 8:55. More than likely an SMT with those highs. 8:15, yeah, so there's an SMT there. We're just going to see what this does off open. I'm happy to rip up off open because the main draws on liquidity are down here, but we have so much low resistance to the upside just here. All this low resistance that we might want to come take out. Even this low resistance here, to be honest, that would maybe want to come take out, but actually this doesn't even look bad for an entry, I'm not going to lie. 1 minute CISD. Don't even know what I'm risking because I don't know the points on this. 45 points, holy fuck, can't. We're going to stay out of this trade because I want to link both of my accounts up to copy trading. Light risk. What? I don't know what's happening with my accounts and why they're not letting me copy trade. Very interesting. Straight to the draw on liquidity. I don't think I really had much of an entry there, unfortunately. I don't know if we're going to continue lower. We did edge those draws. We haven't taken them out on ES, so that is good. I just want to know why the fuck this copy trade is not working. Oh, clear. Save. Oh, because I had a copy trading on something else. Light risk is the main account, and then this account is the follower. Save. Alright, perfect. Alright. I would have got edged on that, probably break even. Just staying patient. I don't like these market open sort of moves. Very unpredictable to say the least. But then again, longs also look really nice here. But like, what is this 1 minute 100-point candle? Low probability, not worth. So just be patient with it. Want some sort of retrace into something here to flip bullish to these highs. Might end up taking him out anyway, but didn't really leave. Yeah, this is just unpredictable conditions. Like, we're in order blocks here. Taking something off this, we didn't leave SMT at the lows or anything, so there is no reason to be taking a trade off of this, even though like very good draws on liquidity up here and here. Retracing's cool. Like, I can't take a retrace and flip because we're still stuck in this 5 minute range realistically. Like, we're getting big wicks, wick highs, wick lows, whatever. It's a fucking 160 point. Like, this is ridiculous seeing these candles, man. Like, genuinely insane. But make sure all my risk settings. Oh, sick. Yeah, I'll probably be risking 300 to 400 per trade on these accounts, to be honest. Very happy with those numbers. Probably going to inverse first presented, but like presented fair value gap, shorts off this wouldn't be terrible. After tapping into high time frame PD arrays, I'm actually liking this a lot. This 5 minute gap holding doesn't necessarily make me scared or anything, but we didn't inverse the gap, so we're just chilling it. Like fucking 80 point stops. I'm gonna have to risk what, five micros, 4 micros for it to be a good trade. Less, bro. Literally like 3 micros. That's ridiculous. Yeah, I don't even really know what I want to see here because we're still in gap here. Did we leave SMT? 620. Swept that. Didn't sweep these 605 highs. Alright, no SMT. It's very good to see. I wouldn't mind seeing a bearish SMT. Like, how big are these stops? 77 point stops. I don't like that candle closure. This big ass fucking wick to the downside. Wait for a 1 minute to get retraced into some sort of flip to the downside to be able to take it to these draws, I reckon. Good thing about this volume is you can catch a little bit of a higher risk to reward trade because I can hold 2 London lows safely, or London highs, whatever I end up taking. But realistically, just risking so miniature on this, like, I'm not afraid to risk, just making sure my risk's held to the satisfactory level that I want to hold it to. Because usually I'm risking a mini to catch 30 points, but this I'm catching fucking 80, 90 points because we're just moving so drastically. Like, this is already a 30-point 1 minute candle. Absolutely insane, to say the least. I do like that tap into the 1 minute. We did 5 minute CISD to the upside, to be fair. So we'll have to see what happens. so much volume in the market. It makes me not less, like, it doesn't make me scared, it just makes me feel like less probable about setups. Like another probably alright setup to these internal here, but I want shorts. If we end up displacing lower to roughly around here and close strong here with this wick high, that's something I'm more willing to take, because I could take, what, 30 points to catch 37, but I'd probably hold it 2 down here and just go break even internal. I've been liking that a whole lot more than just taking off at internal, or even trailing to a winning day. Trailing to a winning day has also been super nice for me, because I don't need crazy money on either of these accounts. So we'll see what happens. See what plays out. Especially with all this volume. Just talking to my mate at the moment. I appreciate it, bro. We'll see what I can catch. Hopefully it's something decent. There we go. That's what I like. That's the kind of volume I like. 50-point stops. I'd be like 7. Like, man, the closure's just not convicting. It's just not convicting closure. Like, yeah, be pretty fucked in this trade. Like, this wick low, like this wick that we left here, shows lots of buying volume towards the end of the candle. So, like, as you can see, this candle, this white candle here, we pushed up really hard and we closed really strong up here. So that's good for taking longs in some regard. And I mean, we push high, end up pushing down, but you can see how, like, candle wick theory and all that sort of plays in. Like, I like this wick up right now. That's super nice wick. And if we like close really strong, I would be more inclined to a trade where, other than like us not closing strong, especially because we're about to close on the 5 minute. Hopefully we close bearish. Yeah, I don't mind that. I do not mind that at all. Did I hesitate on a good entry? Maybe I did. Maybe I did. Just doesn't look as clean as it should be. It sort of is like just a guessing game. Like, are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? Kind of thing. I would not mind being in here though. It's like, what? That's 55. I'm going to set a limit here. Sell limit 5. And then sell limit 1 more, I think. So hopefully I get tagged into that. Put it right about here. I don't know if I want 6 or 5. I don't like that.
Order filled.
I don't even have risk brackets on. Which 1,800. What the fuck? It's on XFA, cunt. What? What the fuck? I might have to take a small loss here. I'm not gonna lie, because I'm not sure why I have so much risk into this trade.
Order filled.
Out there, $1 loss. Don't know why I'm in so heavy on this trade with $1,800. Let me remove this copy trader real quick with my risk brackets. I'm not mad whatsoever about that. I guess we're moving down now, but like, fucking hell, a little bit of a stage fright. We copy trade with you. This light risk account. No, there are light risk in this account. Save changes. Okay. The trade's starting to play out now a bit. Very daunting and scary off that, that's for sure. Damn, that would have 6 micros catching fucking like what? 70 points. 6 times 2 times 70. That's cheeky 800 would have been, but bro, that was fucking scary as shit. I don't want to get stopped out for such a massive loss. Yeah, damn. No good stop loss placement. Like, that's a good stop loss placement there, but disappointing overall. Taking this to London is very tempting. I hope we reject off this low though. Really do. Also creating bullish SMT. Alright, we should reject higher up to somewhere in here and then continue lower. If not, I don't know. Would have been a nice trade to stay in. Very good conviction. Just didn't like, what the hell is my dog doing, bro? Look at this guy. Look at this guy, bro. Weird ass guy. Yeah. It's like the 5th trade I missed today. I missed so many setups on gold. Unfortunately. But what can you do? Yeah, it would have been a $2,000 day. If I did stay in that position, that would have been a pretty nice trade overall, but holy shit, that was scary. That was the trade idea. Break even just here, and obviously would have flushed all the way down. I just want to see ES. Man, shit's moving so janky. I don't want to get stop rated from SMT. The fuck? On this, holy shit, we are dumping. Yes, push up, that's what I want. Yeah, so this would have been the trade. Didn't know taking 47 points times 6 times 2. Yeah, that is a big stop. If I took it with 4, that would have been like the most idealistic. Holy shit. This SMT is going crazy. Taking it with 4 micros, 2 times 48. Yeah, that would have been perfect. That would have been super nice if I could have taken it with 4. But what can you do? Yeah, price is just ranging at the moment. Like, there's lots of opportunity to catch trades. Like, I want to tap off this 3-minute and then some sort of closure to the downside. That would be super fucking nice. Like, we tap 3-minute order block. Let's just hope we don't inverse it. What do we got to the downside? Oh, fucking nothing. Nothing. I'd take it off displacement, I reckon. This volume's ridiculous. See, how many points is that? 50 points. So, like, I'm inclined to take this. But there's no confirmation. So, wait. And the 3-minute hasn't closed. I'd wait for the 3-minute to be at least like 20, 30, 40 seconds left. I think. We inverse 1-minute gaps to the upside, but it means fuck all. Just give me a short to these London lows. It's looking good on the 3. And on the 2. Okay, I like this a lot on the 2. The 2 and 3 both close at the exact same time. Fuck you, fucking candlesticks. I don't care too much about the 1-minute. these, like, if we could get a closure, man, here. It's creating such a massive wick. See me for once. Don't take out my draw. Don't do it to me. Don't do it to me, man. Don't do it to me. Just trying to be nice. Be nice with this closure. It's a shit closure. So overextended. I take. Oh, actually. That is nice. Limit order in the 2 minute. Up here. Limit order this. From sell 4, maybe. Maybe. That could be the only possibility I could see. How many points is that? So many points. They're like that. Take this 2 London lows. Tap this order block. Tap fair value gap. 3 minute closed. Bearish, which is good, but just have to wait for a tap into what? See, that's like 30 points away. Like, that's a fucking full take profit away to be able to tap, and we're gonna. Like, we're gonna do it. Maybe. I hope we do, because I like this trade idea. 4 times 5 is 200, 400 risk. Alright. 400 risk on the table. Should be tapped in if I had my thing the same area. But I want to tap this order block properly. Oh my god. Same shit happened to me on gold today. We edged my limit order, and then we ended up distributing to the drawn liquidity. Just like today. Just like today, man. Just like today. That's disappointing. Take it with heavy size to here, honestly. Where's London? I want to take London. I want to get an entry to be able to take London just for a winning day.
Order filled.
There for a winning day. Break even on that.
Order filled.
Alright, sick. Winning day completed. Took shorts off this. Technically kind of CISD 1 minute order block tap. Very, very quick scalp. Made $600 today. Should be up 2k, but I'm glad I'm not, because this makes me very happy being in this. Took it straight to London. Trade idea was literally. It was my entry. Entry at 6117. I call it 15 points, 17. Oh, I had a horrible entry. Somewhere around here. Got filled around here. Really bad stop loss placement. It was in this order block. Sort of very negative risk to reward. Surely that was not my entry price, bro. Hey, man. What can you do? Locking myself out on the accounts today. Lock out all day. Yes. Made $600. Bit of a rushed trade. There was no emotional attachment to that. Wanted to scalp a winning day. Should be up a lot more. Original trade idea, like I said before, was these shorts here, around here. These shorts here. Wish I entered with, that would have been fucking mental if I took it all the way down to here, but my, would have got break even. My consistency on alpha futures wouldn't have let me. That should have been the actual trade of the day, but ended up taking some bullshit like this. To here. Something like that. It was not that negative risk to reward. Something like that. That's day completed. Not much else to say. $600 in 22 minutes of trading. That's the time, 1:22. I'm gonna have some melatonin. I have to be up early once again. I'll probably schedule this video to post tomorrow or something while I'm out. So I will catch all you boys later. I'll put this all into TradeZeller. Yeah, I'll do all the stuff into TradeZeller. I'll post it on my story, all social media stuff. I've got lots of filming to do for YouTube. I've been slacking on that, but I've had a very, very busy past 3 days. So we're going to catch up on some of that stuff tomorrow. Then graduation Thursday. I'm so excited. I'm going to order farm so hard. But I'll catch all you boys later. Good day on the charts. Didn't have to fucking play no chess, nothing like that. I wasn't bored out of my mind. So we're good. I'll catch all you boys later. Peace.